Asko Dishwasher Troubleshooting Guide. Fix errors F10, F11, and some draining issues. So if you are having these errors, these are a few options or methods you can do since they are somewhat similar, and you can try these if it works for you. So we have the F10, you have the F11, and some draining issues. The first thing you can try is to turn off the dishwasher. So you can stop the cycle, switch off the dishwasher, and disconnect it from the power. Turn off the water supply before checking internal parts, especially when the machine is overfilled or leaking. So you can go ahead to the display, press on the button, and you're gonna have to find the outlet for your dishwasher to make sure it's turned off. But if it's from a breaker, you can do that as well. The next thing you're gonna have to do is to clean the dishwasher filters. So of course, you're gonna open up your dishwasher, and at the lower bottom part of your dishwasher, you're gonna have to remove the basket. Then take out the coarse and fine filters from the bottom of the tub, wash them under running water, and remove food, grease, glass, or other debris that may be blocking these drainings. After that, you can also check the drain pump from the back of your dishwasher. So remove any standing water with a cup or a towel, open the drain pump from the axis cover, then carefully check for food, labels, glass, or other objects, preventing the pump impeller from moving. When you're doing this, make sure you wear gloves when reaching into this area. And while you're already there, since you're still at the back of the dishwasher, you can also inspect the drain hose. So this over here. But it's also found at the back, so you can do it both at the same time or after another. So make sure the drain hose is not kinked, crushed, frozen, or clogged in any way. Check its connection beneath the sink and clear the sink trap or garbage disposal connection when necessary. A blocked drainage path commonly causes the F11 water outlet fault and similar to the other problems. Then finally, you can just reset and test the dishwasher. Reconnect the power again, turn on the water, and run a short program. F10 generally indicates overfilling, while F11 indicates that water is not draining correctly. When the error returns after the filters, pump, and hose are cleared, turn off the water and contact any Asko service because the drain pump, water level system, or another internal component may need some repairs. So you can contact your local technician if that is the case. But those are a few options you have if you are having a few of these errors. So hopefully this video does help. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.